And today I'm really excited to bring you a 22-foot Sea Ray Sundeck. This is an outboard boat, great boat for here in Southwest Florida. As you can see, lots of room here in the front with this extra wide bow, but a couple of really nifty features. Look up front here in the locker. We've got not only a ladder that goes over the front like if you're at the beach and doing that kind of activity, but also this is where your anchor, line, and everything stores as well. And then if we put this lid down, especially if you're going to some place like Cabbage Key, you can step very easily off to the dock. And one of the other neat things, you've got a wash down up here, so you can wash the sand off of your feet or clean the anchor off if it's a little bit dirty. You'll also notice the snaps. This boat has a cockpit cover for the bow as well as for the stern. But I'll tell you, the neatest place up here in this boat, this is maybe only a 22-foot boat, but you can see there's plenty of room here for a couple of adults to really enjoy lounging up here, or there's plenty of room for 4 adults to sit up here and actually enjoy the cruise. And great storage underneath both sides, and you'll notice that on the Sea Ray, this is all finished out with fiberglass. Very, very nice dry spot to put all of your gear. Also, you notice the hinges on here so that you're not messing with a cushion. And then, of course, we've got a nice closing windscreen here, so that if you got inclement weather, close that up. And then also this doorway down here will close across so that you've got it as well. Then as we come here to the helm, you're going to notice that we have the thigh seat here so that if you're driving and operating the boat, you've got great visibility. You can sit up above the windscreen, as well as great ergonomics here on the dash. Or you can flop the bolster down, sit here, and be below the windscreen. Both of these seats swivel around, so if you want to use this as an entertainment area in the back of the boat, we can swivel both bucket seats so that you've got the extra seating. You also notice the horseshoe seating back here, filler cushion back here on the transom so that we can fill that in, and of course the transom door to make it easy to step on the back of the boat, as well as the area there on the stern where we've got the swim platforms on both sides. Nice 3-step ladder. This also has the ski tow bar, 200 horse Mercury Outboard, and you can hear that motor is actually running right now. Actually, you can't hear it, so that's a good thing. As we come back forward, to show you real quick, we do have a potty on this boat, which makes it nice, especially for the ladies to stay out through the day. Great floor storage, both forward in the floor up front, as well as back here between the helms. And a couple other features on the helm I want to show you. This has the digital throttle and shift, so you have virtually no pressure on you when you're moving that. Same thing with your steering. It's electric back to the hydraulic. Also have the Ray Marine unit on the dash, so you've got your chart plotter. This has the great Rockford Fosgate stereo system in it as well. Also, you notice on the floor the infinity woven material in lieu of carpet. Great storage area here. That's where your table stores when you're not using it. Again, this is an outstanding 22-foot Sea Ray. It's not going to last very long. Give me a call. It's right here at our store in Fort Myers, Florida. 22-foot Sea Ray outboard, ready for the season.